What's going on, legend? So working on my Calais again today. I've bought some chrome door handles for it, some genuine ones, proper metal chrome handles, and so we're going to be putting them in. I've got a bit of a noise in my driver's door with the window reg. I'm thinking maybe the guide's buggered, so we'll take a look at that while it's apart. I'm going to service all the windows, grease them, lube the slides and stuff so that they're all working as good as they can, because while the door's apart, figured why not. And then yeah, I'm going to put it on the hoist and paint the calipers black. I thought just tidy it up a little bit more. And yeah, I did have another part ordered, but unfortunately the order got cancelled because I ordered it at 2 o'clock in the morning, and for some reason my bank thought that was sus, so they yeah, they cancelled my order. But anyway, the Commodore Man is coming to give me a hand today on the Calais, and yeah, so we'll be doing this video together. And then he's got a car that he just bought that he's giving away on his channel. Yeah, we're going to give it a check over and just see what it needs and stuff for a roadworthy. And then yeah, so anyway, bit of a day of content together and looking forward to it. It's a crap day outside. It's very windy again. It's always windy. Yeah, anyway, let's get into it.
Again, now that it's in the sun, it's not as bad.
Deacon, the door handles for this car, I left them at my other shed.
Big trip.
We're gonna have to go on a mission to get these door handles. I can't believe I forgot them.
Take the van?
Yeah, we might have to. Yeah, we might have to take the van, mate. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if we can go out. Nah, call it off, boys. Jesus, I don't know if I want to go out there. I think we should. Let's have a coffee first. I don't think we can keep working in the rain, mate.
I'm gonna have to go get that.
We're gonna have to rain off. Yeah. I only just had breakfast.
It's so ugly that they sort of...
Yeah, I feel bad for throwing them out.
Because they're not worth money, but they're rare. Like, because how often do you see a van now with a full set of
Especially with an LSA in it.
I think it's
Oh, maybe I should buy that crane run. Alright.
But I'm happy to do it. Like
Well, it's all content, and if it's going viral right now, it's a good time to do it,
yeah,
isn't it?
that's what I thought.
Alright, let's go. You go first. No, I'm not coming.
Alright, we're there.
Yeah, oh, that was a big walk. Woo! Don't seem like that anymore. Oh, thanks. But look at the scissors why it's in here. It's still got water in the bloody footwell.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, I bought all this stuff to build mezzanine the other day. So if you want to, I'll pay you to help me build that.
Well, I normally charge $125 SGC an hour.
Yeah, I'll pay you that a day. Yeah, no worries. Oh, look at these. Would have been nice if they were the right colour. That's alright. Big job. Swap them out. One day, mate, you might be able to have a nice VL like that.
Yeah.
Could you use more tape?
I told you. Mate, nothing's getting through that.
Mate, I don't even think I'll be able to ever get that back off. Hey? 2013. Yeah. Oh, when we do the LC manual.
No, this is for the manual.
You got too many cars.
But you can't talk.
His shed's a lot worse.
Yeah. No, I've got.
Because he's got everyone else's cars in it too.
Yeah. No, the VX Calais get a wreck. The else is some old base brakes.
On the LC segment. Yeah, okay. I don't know how the rears go with the solid axle. I don't think that works.
No, touch the rears, it's front on.
Yeah.
It's pretty. Sorry?
No, I can hear you, Deacon!
No, I thought you were my phone.
No, I don't know. They're small together, mate. Like, they used to just look like, sort of like, I guess, like that one or that one.
Yeah.
Just have caliper paint on, and that's what. Look at this fancy ass little can of paint. It's actually good paint too. It comes on very thick. Highly recommend. This is nice. I like. Keeps focusing on Deacon. You did a good job of popping down, Deacon.
Sorry.
That's how they look like. It's got Rico tail shaft. You can let that dry now. Chuck the end on the hoist. Now look at that, I guess.
Well, in that case,
Well, I've got to pause my video now to do your video.
that's right. You're
Classic.
welcome to,
Classic.
you're welcome to that.
What I will do, actually, we're going to pause for a second because we're waiting on that to dry and we're going to be working on Deacon's VN. But I'll shoot a little bit of a clip to show you what we're doing.
Maybe we just did like the first.
Oh, yeah, well, you could pull that out a lot more, but if you want
Yeah.
to pull it out, do that. You mean that one takes it out, so you need one in the middle? So we'll be working on that.
Yeah, this is the video. This is
Well, it's got a very bad oil leak from the engine, but I don't start here, so I'll go back down this way. Alright, so we've got pretty good new coil springs. Got some new sway bar links. They look like cheap, nasty ones though.
Yeah.
It looks like he's replaced the shocks. It was quite low at one point too.
marking the tail shaft.
Yeah. Because that's why when we were younger and we used to lower them heaps, you used to belt that in. Yeah. Well, that's power steering fluid for sure. Yeah. And then you got engine oil on the other side.
Oh, you missed it.
Oh wow, so much drifting.
Like a new Mercedes-Benz.
New Mercedes-Benz. I reckon it drives a little bit better. It's actually surprisingly comfortable.
No, it is. It is. Honestly, full noise.
What? Mang, 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 mang. Oh, look at that Stato. What a weapon. Whoos. Off we go. So same about you, mate. Stinky Scotty. What's up, bro?
Good boy.
Shed tour. Huh? How much for this one?
$2 grand.
$2,000. Bit much. Clearly got power to it if it's working.
Yeah, it worked the whole way home.
Did someone say KFC?
Echo, take your order.
I'm not looking my best here, if I'm honest.
What was that, Deacon?
What?
Was it good?
Nah. Gotta clean my screen. That's how good it was.
Yeah, I've got shit all over my camera. Deacon doesn't want to eat the last bit of chicken. Was it delicious?
That was a good collab, that.
Oh. Oh, hey, mate. How you going? Alright, well, we better get this on the hoist, eh?
One thing that I'm going to steal off this car before I give it away, and it's part of the reason why I bought it.
The headlight covers.
Because that won't matter to whoever gets it.
Can't believe you're going to steal stuff off the car that you're giving away, mate. It's like Adrian Portelli taking the wine out of that house he gave away that photograph.
Yeah.
It's basically the same thing.
It is.
First things first, I need to get it in.
Alright guys, today we're in. We'll have a go at it.
Back left, tail light. Guys, I've just pulled the VX out and I am over the moon. It looks unreal. I know that it might only be a real small touch by doing the handles and the black calipers, but it has honestly made such a difference. It looks sick. Yeah, it literally is just those small little details that turn a good car into a great car. I'm so over the moon. I really need to get a good new passenger mirror because that is pretty crap. And I want to get the one part I was meant to be installing today, which didn't happen, was a rear roof spoiler. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet, but I ordered it and they flagged it as a fraudulent payment because it was 2 o'clock in the morning. So they cancelled my order. So yeah, I've got to reorder that. But I reckon I'm going to get the roof painted gloss black with flakes, sort of like my WRX, and I'll get the spoiler done at the same time and then mount that on there. But yeah, and then I want to get the interior done as well. But it's all baby steps, just like all my cars. But yeah, I'm really, really happy. I'm so glad I got the genuine handles because, yeah, A, they're metal, and B, they just look so much better than the crap aftermarket ones. Anyways, if you guys want stuff like this done to your car, hit me up. That's what I do.